How to find your Wi-Fi password on Windows 11 quick and easy. Hey everyone, welcome back to IT Next. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to find your Wi-Fi password in Windows 11. No tools, no downloads, just simple and free. First, click on Start menu. Type in ca.cpl and click to open. Double-click to open up Status. Then click Wireless Properties. Go to Security tab. Check Show Characters. Boom! There's your password. And that's it. You now know how to retrieve any saved Wi-Fi password on Windows 11 like a pro. If you found this helpful, hit like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to IT Next for more simple tech solutions every week.